How to add crypto as a payment method on Shopify. What's up guys, my name is Krause and in today's tutorial I will actually show you how you can let your customers check out using cryptocurrencies on Shopify. Now without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. To get started, you do want to head over to your Shopify admin panel and then navigate to the settings on the bottom left. By the way, I currently give us my Shopify course for completely free, so if you do want to streamline your Shopify success, make sure to click on the link down below. Either way, right here you will then have to navigate to payments. This will probably look something like this, where you will then have to set up Shopify payments right here, which I would actually recommend you to do, as this will significantly improve your conversion rate with payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and a lot more. But either way, to actually add crypto, you will have to click on add payment method right here, and then you can either search by payment method or by provider. So a provider, for example, would be Binance right here, or for example crypto.com, as you can see the crypto.com pay. However, you can actually also simply search by payment method. So if you, for example, do want to add Bitcoin, you would then just have to look for Bitcoin right here, and then you're going to see all of the different providers that as of right now do accept Bitcoin as a payment method, and you would then have to choose any of these. The same goes with all of the other cryptocurrencies. So if you, for example, do want to accept Litecoin, you can just select it right here, and then once again you are going to have that option to actually add these payment providers. Now generally the provider that I would recommend you to use would be Coinbase. They are the biggest one out there, and Coinbase does offer let's actually look at it. Coinbase, I think they do offer quite a lot of different cryptocurrencies. As you can see, they do offer Bitcoin, Ether, so Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, as well as USDC, DAI, and Dogecoin. So they do offer quite a lot of different cryptocurrencies, and they are also the most established provider out there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And as a small bonus, I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free, so make sure to check that out using the link down below.